All right, let's check out this ad from Glow Medspa. It says, say goodbye to ingrown hairs and razor bump. Get ready for flawless skin this summer. Limited time offer, laser hair removal for just 124. 25 minutes to silky smooth skin. Appointments flying out the door. Book now and shine with confidence. And then the headline is hurry, $100.24, 124 laser hair removal flash sale. All right. The offer itself is fire, right? $124 for laser hair removal is solid, but the execution, it may not be booking nearly as many appointments as it could. So let's walk through and I'll show you what might be holding you back and how you can improve it. I'm actually going to rewrite it for you as well. So the first thing is there's no local anchor, no local call out, right? It doesn't say, hey, Colleyville or DFW babes to create a sense of place, right? This could be running in any city and that weakens the connection. Number two, the hook is too soft, right? Say goodbye to ingrowns is fine, but it doesn't hit emotionally, right? Where's the drama? Where's the tension? Where's the scroll stopping line? Number three, the offer lacks urgency, right? There's, you say a limited time offer here, right? But that's a throwaway unless you back it up with real stakes, right? What's going to happen if they wait? And then also there's a vague call to action, right? Book now doesn't tell them how. Should they click, DM, or comment, right? Specificity converts. The bones are there, but now we're going to flip this into an appointment crushing ad using our framework. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this ad here and bring it into my document. And we're going to use our $97 ad rewrite playbook to revamp this ad for you. All right. So, and again, I'm only going to work on the copy, like the text above the video and the headline here. I'm not going to do anything or recommend anything for the video. I just want to give you some insight on the copy that can help improve conversions. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a bold local hook to anchor this ad geographically and emotionally. So we're going to say, hey, Colleyville, stop shaving your skin raw every week. Razor burn, red bumps, awkward, stubble. Say goodbye to all that. So now we're going to hit them with a jaw-dropping price and time-based benefit. So we'll say something like, right now, laser hair removal is just $124, and it only takes 25 minutes. That's silky, glowing skin without the razor drama. Spots are flying. Once they're gone, this deal disappears. All right, and so before we finish this rewrite, this ad is gonna be fire, but it's part of a system, right? Our client booking system where we build this for med spas, right? To bring in leads and follow up with them automatically. AI handles the follow-ups, you handle the results. No more ghosted leads, no more guessing, just bookings. Want us to build yours? Click the link in the description below or pin comment and book your free demo. All right, back to the rewrite. We just opened, this is where we're going to add some urgency and real world momentum. So we opened 6 spots this week. They will go fast. This is the glow up move your summer wardrobe deserves. So one quick note here. We are in September, and so you might want to adjust this offer to not say summer, maybe into fall. Just a point there. And then so after this line here, where we, kind of build upon that confident and carefreeness, we're going to close with a modern call to action. We'll say comment smooth, and we'll DM you the link to book. Glow Medspa. All right. And now we're going to give you some headlines here. So we'll say $124 laser hair removal. No more razor bumps. All right. So let's review this ad copy. So, hey Colleyville, stop shaving your skin raw every week. Razor burn, red bumps, awkward stubble, say goodbye to all that. Right now, laser hair removal is just $124 and it only takes 25 minutes. That's silky, glowing skin without the razor drama. Spots are flying. Once they're gone, this deal disappears. We just opened 6 spots this week. They will go fast. This is the glow up move your summer wardrobes deserve. Comment silk and we'll DM you the link to book Glow Medspa. And our headlines are $124 laser hair removal and then no more razor bumps. All right, so what do we do here? We anchor the ad locally with "Hey Colleyville," right? So it feels custom, not copy and paste. We dialed up the sensory pain and relief, the itchy stubble, the razor burn, the silky payoff. We took a generic call to action and made it interactive, right? Comment-based triggers convert way better on social than call now. This rewrite doesn't just look better, it performs better. And if you want us to build your ad instead of the entire client booking system, the ads, the AI follow-up, the lead nurturing, book a free demo at paidadsmadeeasy.com/calendar, and we'll show you live how it all works. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.